Step 4 is to calibrate the model. In the first template, where you set your indicators, there were 3 columns that we didn't touch. If this is your first time using the app, you would have left these blank. This is where the parameters of the model are held. Every indicator in the PPI model is affected by these 3 parameters. When you press the Start Calibration button, the app runs an algorithm to find the parameter values that best reproduce your success rates and overall trend for each indicator. The algorithm can take several minutes to run, so please be patient. Once it's complete, the app will use the parameters it's generated for the final step. You can also download the parameter values at this point for future use. You get to choose the calibration quality at this point using the on-screen slider. Higher precision will take longer as the model performs more simulations for a more accurate outcome. It's important to note, however, that even at the highest precision, the app is limited by what web browsers can compute, so the app should be used mainly for quick preliminary policy analysis. With the calibration complete, you can move on to the final step.